Hello, myself Nancy Sailor from Srimati Alpisani Vidya Bhavan, Surat. Today I am going to teach you computer. Chapter number 4, keyboard and some special keys. Class 2. A keyboard has many buttons that are used to type letter, number, symbol, give command, play game and move from one point to another on the screen. These buttons are called keys. There are 104 means 104 keys on standard keyboard. Some keyboard may have more or some may have less than 104 keys. Let me introduce to you some keys. First, number key, alphabet key, spacebar key, caps lock key, control key, spacebar key, backspace key, enter key, arrow keys. There are many keys on the keyboard. Let us begin with the keys on the keyboard are of various types. Let us learn about these keys. First is alphabet key. These are marked with the letter A to Z, but they are not given in order. There are 26 alphabet keys. Means A to Z keys are there, but they are not one behind another. Yes. Now, number key. These key are used to type numbers. There are 10 in numbers, that is 0 to 9, and they are given in order. They are located at two places on the keyboard. Students, number keys are located at two places on the keyboard. One is above the alphabet key and another one is on the right hand side of the keyboard. Now next is special key. We already read about the four special keys in previous class. These were spacebar key, enter key, caps lock key and backspace key. Spacebar key. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the tags. For example, here I have written some name. Ashish space Amity Matt. Yes, here I have written some name using spacebar key. Now enter key. It is used to bring the cursor to the next line. It is also known as return key. Student, remember this. Enter key has another name. Enter key is also known as return key. A keyboard has two enter keys. A cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor where the next type letter or a number appear. The cursor look like a small standing straight line, like I. Cursor, how does the cursor look? It just look like a eye which keeps on blinking. There are two enter keys. Okay, there are two enter keys. Next is caps lock key. It is used to type letter in capital. Press this key once, it switch it on, and press it key again to switch it off. When the caps lock key is on, all the letters being typed appear in capital on the monitor. Yes, when you will type a letter from the keyboard, if it is a caps lock key is on, it will start writing in capital. If it is off, then it will write in small alphabets. Next is backspace key. It is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Arrow keys. Yes, apart from these keys, there are some other special keys on the keyboard. Let us know about them. That is arrow key. There are four arrow keys that helps to move the cursor in the four direction on the monitor. They are called as cursor control keys. Yes, they are also called as cursor control keys. Arrow key. The two groups of four arrow keys are available on the normal keyboard. Means there are two groups of four arrow keys. That is upper arrow key and down arrow key. Upper arrow key is used to move the cursor up, and down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Next is left arrow key. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor on the left side. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor on the right side. Yes, now shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard. Both of them have same function. This key can be used to type capital letters or small letters. Yes. When the caps lock key is off and the shift key is kept pressed while typing, the alphabet will appear in capital. In the same way, when the caps lock key is on and the shift key is kept pressed while typing, the alphabets will appear in small letters. By the help of shift key, we can type many of the symbols. Yes, many of the symbols which are located on the number keys. Yes. Number lock key. You can type number using the numeric keypad available on the right side of the keyboard. But when you can use when the number lock key is on. अगर आपकी नंबर लॉक की ऑन नहीं होगी तो वो वहां से लेटर्स नहीं टाइप करेगा. To do so, the number lock key should be turned on. If it is number lock key is on, it will show the green or red light, or if it is off, there will be the no lights available. Now next is symbol key. Some key have two different symbol mark on them. The upper symbol is called upper character and the lower symbol is called lower character. Shift key is used to type the upper character symbols. Yes, delete key. Delete key erase the letter on the right side of the cursor. Now control key. It is used to perform special tasks along with other keys. There are two control keys on the keyboard. Alter key. It is used to change the function of other press keys. Thus the alter key is called modifier key. Yes, what is the name of alter key? Alter key is called modifier key. For example, Control Alt plus Delete. Pressing these three keys together opens a menu that allows you to lock your computer, switch user, change your logo in your password, or to close a file. It also allows you to shut down the computer. Click the red button at the right bottom corner to click screen the shutdown. Thank you.